Welcome. On this channel, we share the freshest insights from the world of neural networks, hardware, and technology. Subscribe right now so you don't miss a thing. And if you need your own AI agent, reach out, and I'll help you build one tailored to your needs. Today, we are exploring a secret and magical model from Cohere. It is called BLS Mini Code. Just picture an ancient cyberboat sailing swiftly through a thick neon fog toward a vast, shining city. We're journeying into the magical realm of Cyber-Rus to uncover their first dedicated neural network designed entirely for writing complex code.
Our technological quest begins right now. First, we explore the architecture of sleeping warriors. Second, we deploy the local outpost. Third, we craft complex user interfaces. Fourth, we tackle autonomous refactoring and thought. Finally, we defeat hidden SQL vulnerabilities.
Section 1. Architecture of Sleeping Warriors, or the Mixture of Experts. The architecture hides a cunning secret, known in our world as a Mixture of Experts model. It perfectly resembles a resting squad of glorious warriors, straight from an ancient tale.
The sheer scale of this resting army is massive. Exactly 30 billion parameters sleep deeply within this model. They wait quietly in the background, carefully preserving their strength for the battles ahead.
Only 3 billion waits are active at any one time. While the vast majority rests, these active waits fight fiercely. This brilliant structure provides incredible speed and enormous latent power.
Like a wise elder, it carefully considers every single step. The model has built-in deep logic for step-by-step thinking. It plans and evaluates, constantly guiding its actions with ancient wisdom.
Section 2. Deploying the local outpost, our hardware setup. To harness this magic, we need a physical fortress. We deployed our outpost on a rugged home server guarded by our faithful house spirit, Domovoy.
Our digital fortress runs on an Ubuntu operating system. Inside, a giant NVIDIA H100 server graphics card powers the magic, holding a massive 80 gigabytes of VRAM. The model itself weighs in at 61 gigabytes. Installing the source files took just a few minutes. Once running, it completely fills our heavy-duty hardware with its radiant presence.
Section 3. Crafting complex user interfaces, or front-end testing. We tasked the model with creating a beautiful web interface. It acted much like a glowing, magical parchment, drawing intricate designs completely on its own, without any external dependencies.
We asked for a menu with smooth animations and user-friendly tabs. The model entered a deep trance and took a little while to figure it out, but it produced a perfectly functional result on the very first try, complete with beautiful orange lines and flawless browser performance. Section 4. Autonomous refactoring and thought, exploring the agent workflow. We linked the neural network to an autonomous assistant. Imagine the winged cyberdog Samargl flying swiftly through dense trees, carrying vital messages.
First, we launched a VLLM server. Next, we connected the smart Hermes agent program. We hit a small context window error at first, but we quickly expanded the context to 64,000. Just like that, our autonomous agent began transmitting commands flawlessly.
We provided a real Python application and asked the model to rewrite it completely into the harsh Go language. Like the mighty hero Ilya Muromets, forging sturdy steel shields, the model entered a very long and deep thought cycle. It took 10 to 15 minutes of intense processing, but the final generated code was absolutely precise and truly beautiful. Section 5. Defeating hidden SQL vulnerabilities through debugging. We confronted a complex SQL query, entangled with dangerous errors deliberately left by the evil swamp spirit Kikimora. The model did not flinch. We asked the neural network to find every bug. Like a bright beam of light burning away a dark illusion, it delivered an instant analysis and identified every deliberately hidden vulnerability. The result was perfectly clean and fully corrected program code. Bringing our fairy tale victories back to reality, the concrete benefits are clear. Data privacy is strictly secured. We utilized immense local hardware power and achieved true autonomous intelligence. We no longer need to hand over our precious data to greedy corporations. Powerful artificial intelligence can reliably program directly on our own hardware. I'll leave you with his final provocative thought. Consider, if you will, build your bright, independent AI future on your own server. A sovereign digital future in Cyber-Rus is already here and accessible to everyone at home. Thank you so much to our channel sponsors for making this possible. Subscribe to our updates and explore this magic with us.
There are many more discoveries ahead, and the power is finally in your hands.